fans, and welcome to another great video. Today I'm in a 1000 horsepower Redeye. This Redeye is brand new, equipped with our HPE 1000. We're doing some final testing to make sure this thing is ready for the streets and ready for the customer. And we're gonna do a comparison today against the brand new Super Stock. Super cool car. Set up for drag racing, has the nittos all the way around, has the demon wheels and everything. The Redeye is known more as a street car, but again, this Redeye is modified, and we're going to be doing some rolls on an unprepped surface to simulate a street race.
I don't expect to win, obviously, but we'll see what we can do. Good run. You were pulling away pretty good.
The 1000 horsepower Redeye really pulls away from that stock Super Stock, so very cool to see the real world performance of the HPE 1000. Alright folks, so there you have it, the comparison of the 1000 horsepower Redeye versus the brand new Super Stock. Very cool comparison. This thing of course pulls on it, starts running away at the end. So if you have a Hellcat Redeye, if you have a Super Stock, if you have a Demon, if you have a Trackhawk, a TRX, anything with a Hellcat platform, give us a call. We offer turnkey performance services. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.